Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little video channel. As you can see, a lovely sunny day. It's a bit chilly though. It's about 4 degrees, 4 Celsius, where we call it. But it's dry. I'm out on my bike again to try this bloody camera out. Because when I did a video over there, when I uploaded and looked back on it, all you could see is my clocks. Not very good picture, is it really, to look at? Wanted with some brackets and try and make it a bit better. Just another excuse to get out on my bike really, but hey ho. I wonder how many bikers are out today enjoying the sunshine. As us hard bikers, we don't mind the cold, do we? We're used to it. Man, saying that hoodie you get, the more you feel it. I'm hoping this camera handle is a bit better, because I want to see the road ahead, not just me bleeding clocks. Because that can be a bit of a boring watch, can't it? Well, I think I kind of decided I'm going to take my car off the road for summer and spring and summer. Save some money on my insurance and my road tax, because of this crazy world we're living in at the moment. They reckon the petrol prices are going to go sky high, so instead of having 30 miles 40 miles per gallon in the car, now we get 80, so can't complain with that, can you? Excuse me. Yeah, so I'm just out. A nice little ride. Well, I like my new grips what I put on. Yeah, they're nice. Nice and good again. They're not worn like my original ones starting to. What's this here then? £1.34 per litre. That's gone up. Last time I came it was last time I went there, I think it was £1.28. I think I might just go for a little blast, get rid of some of this old petrol. It's been stood for 2 months at the bike, as you probably gathered. Excuse me. And I'm going to fill it up after my ride. Right, so let's go. See what the old camera handle looks like. I've got to check out the roads as well, see if there's any more new potholes where I normally ride. It normally does. I'll say it again. Oh, it's so good to get on the bike. Can't beat it. Clear. Well, that's surprising. Normally have to wait there. 60 mile an hour, lad. Gotta be a good boy. I'm pleased to say my new jacket is quite good. I don't think it's as thick as my old jacket. That used to weigh quite a lot, and it's quite a lot thicker as well. But I don't think they're going to get them kind of coats anymore. Mine wasn't a 20-year-old. Excuse me, getting a bit of a dodgy throat for some reason. Got to be careful down this road. There's normally a police van, cascals as we call them, trying to nick your money. What a lovely day. Can't believe how lovely it is. No police van here today. It's good. Makes a change. Probably realise they're not making any money. Come on, girl. You love the bends. Come on, girl. I can remember the good old days on my big bikes. I used to do about 70 mile an hour on them bends. Yeah, when I was a lad. Not so bothered now. The most important thing is getting to where you want to go in one piece. Like here, time I get into this bit of a rise, I'm going to do about 120 on my big bike, which is a bit crazy, isn't it? But 65's comfortable enough for this little girl. Ideal speed. I do apologise about the wind. Hopefully not too bad, the audio. But I am trying the camera out. Oh, she does make me laugh, this little girl. Yeah, we're doing about 60, 65, but it feels like you're doing 100 mile an hour with the sound of the engine. I suppose in the long run that's a good thing. At least you're not getting speeding tickets. Excuse me, knock it down one. Not see if it really needs it on this little girl. All I can top. Oh, it's got a long time to knock it down one. Come on, girl, you can do it. Oh, that's a funny thing. I hate this corner. Got a massive bump on it. No wonder how many bikers have been caught out on it. There it is. What a lovely day for a cruise. What we do? 97 miles, and I've still got half a tank left. Oh, this is good fun. This is good fun. Excuse me again. Yep, she's running fine. Very good. What speed limit here? 30, isn't it? Boring 30 mile an hour. Oh, 31, I'm a naughty boy. Hey ho. They're a funny little thing. Baby nights. Little village called Spilsby. Must be a brilliant motorbike shop here. They don't seem to sell many bikes in here. Not bad. So what I don't miss on a big bike, a sports bike should I say, the suspension. When you hit a pothole, you don't all feel it. On this little thing, don't feel it at all, which is weird, isn't it? Very strange to me that. I think the little bike will feel it more, but she has got a bit of a squidgy suspension. She's a good girl. Got to stop saying that. That's where they normally hide as well, coppers. I know where they all hide, you see. Excuse me. Oh, good fun. Which way shall I go? Trying to burn a bit of petrol off. I know where to go. This is the only time I really miss a big bike. On these type of roads. What's he doing? 40 mile an hour? Jesus, mate. Get a life. What am I doing? Oh, I haven't been naughty though. 65. Oh, it's so fun. So good fun to be back on bike. Ah, bloody thing's going my way. I've got the power. But it will overtake, no problem. You can't do that on a 125. That's how I look at this little 250. Well, 125's flat out. It's a cruise at that speed. Another little thing about the little 250s. It's not terrible, but when you get a big hill like this, they will slow down a bit. But I'd expect 250. What we're doing 60. See if it'll slow down much. Yeah, still doing 60. Oh, picking up. Ah, I love bikes. Oh, it feels so good. Knock it down one. You need to on this little 250. Not like my big bike where I used to have to bomb up here. But that ain't trying. Well, you got to have a bit of downside occasionally. Oh, slow down now to 58. Oh, it's picking up now, it's picking up. 60. Good thing about the little bikes though. You can have a bit of fun on them without actually going crazy speeds. Coming down here, oh, God, for ages. Always duck your head and a big lorry goes past you. Oh God, I can remember coming down here. Some of the big bikes are doing like this.